The password is dead. Long live the passkey. Remember that password you made in 2012? Hackers probably remember it too. For years, we've juggled dozens of complex passwords, forgotten them, and hit forgot password in frustration. It's a broken, outdated system. But what if you could log in without typing anything? Enter the passkey. A passkey is a digital credential, a unique cryptographic key that proves you are you. One part stays on your device, the other with the website. They match, you're in. The secret never leaves your device. Logging in is simple. The website sends a challenge, your device asks for your fingerprint, face or PIN, signs the challenge, and you're in. No password type, nothing for hackers to steal. Built on FIDO Alliance standards, passkeys work across Apple, Google, and Microsoft devices. The passkey you create on your iPhone can log you in on your Windows PC and vice versa. The goal? A seamless, password-free future no matter your gadgets. Tech giants finally agree. Passwords are out, passkeys are in. Welcome to the next era of online security. Long live the passkey. Ready to create your first passkey? It's easier than inventing another fluffy 123. On your laptop, go to a supported site like Google or PayPal, find Create a Passkey in security settings and confirm your identity with your fingerprint, face or PIN. On your phone, it's just as easy. Open a supported app, tap Create Passkey and authenticate with Face ID, fingerprint or passcode. Your passkey is saved securely and synced to your cloud account. Next time you log in, you'll see Sign in with Passkey. Just look at your phone or touch the sensor. Done. On your laptop, if your passkey is on your phone, scan a QR code, authenticate, and you're in. You don't need passkeys on every device. As long as your phone is nearby, you can log in anywhere. Bluetooth ensures your phone is close, adding security. No more password managers, no more remembering dozens of logins. Passkeys are designed for the way we actually live, moving between devices all day. Welcome to effortless, secure logins. Passkeys are a massive security upgrade. Passwords can be stolen, guessed, or phished. Passkeys phishing-proof. The secret never leaves your device, so hackers can't steal it, even in a breach. Convenience is the game-changer login, with a glance or a touch. The most secure option is now the easiest, but not every site supports passkeys yet, so you'll juggle both for a while. Moving passkeys between Apple and Google isn't seamless. Switching phones can be a hassle. There's a learning curve. We're used to passwords, not invisible logins. You'll need your device handy. If your phone dies, you'll need a backup plan. It's a shift, but the benefits are huge. Passkeys are the future. Just give it a little time. What if you lose your phone? Don't panic. Passkeys are synced to your cloud account, iCloud or Google, so they're not lost with your device. Get a new phone, sign into your account, and your passkeys are back. Securing your Apple or Google account is now more important than ever. It's your master key. If you need to log in before you get a new phone, most sites offer backup options like one-time codes or security questions. Losing your phone is inconvenient but not a disaster. The system is resilient and designed for recovery. Embracing passkeys means safer, simpler logins. Try creating one, you'll never want to go back. Soon, we'll wonder how we ever lived with passwords. Don't forget to subscribe to AnotherHowToGuru for more tips and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Have an awesome day.